friends, and welcome on Yourpedia. And this video is related to starting of concepts through question series for GATE DA paper. IIC Bangalore has introduced this paper, which is Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Data Science paper. And in my opinion, this is a wonderful paper. If you write it and if you get a good score in GATE, then you will get admission in the most sought after courses in IITs and NITs, which are related to artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. Different branch of students are eligible to write this paper. Other than computer science IT, engineers like electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, civil engineers, chemical engineers, you people can write this paper. जिन बच्चों ने ये पेपर भरा है, for them Yourpedia has brought this daily question series for your revision. So this is the detail of that. You can proceed forward. So 5th January artificial intelligence onward. So 5th January, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, all every day you will have till 31st January. So 25 days, 10 questions and 250 questions. Every day 10 questions. Like 5th January, artificial intelligence will be there and 10 questions will be covered in that. Then 6th January, data structure algorithm, 7th probability, 8th Python, 9th DBMS, warehouse, 10th statistics, 11th machine learning, 12th linear algebra. These are, this is the list. Maybe you can stop this video and you can see this particular list. So every day there will be class on our, this YouTube channel itself. That will be premium, that means pre-recorded, but mentors will be available for questions and you can go for it. इसमें most expected questions हैं 250 questions. आप इनको सुने और इनका पीछे जो concept है उसको revise करें. मेरे को लगता है इसमें से question आएगा. और जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने इस एग्जाम को भरा है इस पेपर के साथ, डाटा साइंस के पेपर के साथ, वो स्टूडेंट्स इस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट को ढंग से रिवाइज करें. एक और चीज़ है कि हम अगर आप ये सीरीज़ ज्वाइन करें, इसमें जो डॉक्यूमेंट है, जो मेंटर्स आपको पढ़ाएंगे, अगर आपको डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए तो आप अपना डिटेल्स दे सकते हैं और आपको मेल के थ्रू हमारा ऑफिस वो डॉक्यूमेंट भेज देगा. तो हम इसको किसी एक जगह पे सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं रखते हैं. वी विल सेंड यू थ्रू मेल only to the interested students, those who are interested and those who are attending. आपको थोड़ी सी डिटेल्स देनी होती हैं. कई बार स्टूडेंट पूछते हैं कि ये डिटेल्स हमसे क्यों मांगी जाती हैं. नंबर 1, Yourpedia never misuse your information. Number 2, there are different kind of people in the market. I mean there are some competitors and all. They misuse the information which is freely provided by Yourpedia. अपना उसको मिसयूज करते हैं. तो कंफर्म करने के लिए कि यू आर जेन्युइन स्टूडेंट, we take this information from you. That is the only purpose. And then obviously through mail we will keep on providing you this entire thing. तो अगर आपको ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह 250 क्वेश्चंस और उनका एक्सप्लेनेशन, इसके डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह रिक्वायर्ड है, तो आप अपना हमारा फॉर्म भर सकते हैं और अपनी डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. जेन्युइनिटी ऑफ द डिटेल विल बी ascertained by the office and then these things will be given. You will agree that hundreds and thousands of things and content and questions cannot be provided free to all of you. That is the intellectual property of Yourpedia and the mentors. So if it is to be given, it is to be given through mail to you. So those of you who are interested and those who want, they can drop their details to us and then further we can provide this information to them. So friends, enjoy every day 10 questions of GATE DA paper. Every topic will be covered very meticulously और आपको अच्छे इसमें से प्रिपरेशन होगा और मेरे को श्योर है कि इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. So look forward to mentor you in future also. Thank you.